Welcome, Halon Elsa.
Good morning, my little snowflake. Look, Liliana, a juicy berry for our little princess.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
A painting. Oh, look! Child-friendly paints. Perfect. And a small canvas. Just right for her first masterpiece. Perfect! She's gonna love this. Let's hope it's not too messy.
She did it! She did it!
There it is!
Whoa! It's a rainbow explosion! Can I taste it?
More! More color, Liliana! You are doing amazing!
Looks like a storm of color hit the castle.
Oh, Kristoff, you've been decorated.
Olaf, you're a true artist now!
I'm a green carrot. This is new.
It's magnificent, Liliana. A true masterpiece.
Dada. Mama.
Just right for a masterpiece.
And perfect!
Mine!
Your very first painting, my love. A memory we will always cherish.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the videos to help our channel grow even more. Thank you so much.